Umphathiswa wezezimali mnumzana Godongwana uvakalise inkxalabo ngequmrhu eliphehla umbane u-Eskom njengoko iingxaki zalo ziphazamisa kakhulu uqoqosho lweli.
We started in 2010 creating the environment and bringing in IPPs. Now the effect of that delay is that almost 90% of electricity in the country is still with Eskom, and therefore makes Eskom indispensable.
Omnye umba utshisa ibunzi ngumba wemibutho yabasebenzi bakarhulumente.
There's a constitutional court case.
Yes.
If that constitutional court case goes against us, that's what we're warning about as a risk in the, I might not have said in the speak, but if you read the budget review, we lift that as a risk. So the possibility is that the amount may be higher than that.
Yeah.
And it raises also the whole issue of affordability and so on and so on.
Ukanti omnye umba onzima imali urhulumente ayichithayo ukuhlawula izibonelelo zahlukeneyo kubemibili amathatha intweni. Umbuzo ngoku ukuba ingaba urhulumente uzakwazi kusinini na ukumelana nezibonelelo.
We take income support as a transition towards an inclusive growth, not make it a permanent feature of our society. That's the first point I want to make. The second point I want to make, we tend to pile up whenever there's a problem. We think of a grant. We've got, for instance, take extended public works. We've got public employment program. We've got community development workers. We've got a whole range of these grants. Every time a problem comes, we think of a new one. I think one of the things we need to be thinking about, if really we're going to provide income support, is it not appropriate to consolidate all of this and say what is the best or optimal way of supporting or providing income support to the vulnerable?
Ukanti uphawulile nangetyala likarhulumente nenzame zakhe zokucutha inkcitho.
We've got to manage the growth of the wage bill. We've got to manage the growth of, the expenditure which has gone into bailing out state-owned enterprises. Between 2013 and now, we spent about 290 billion rand purely in trying to bail out state-owned enterprises. How did we do that? That, two, taking more money from line function departments which undermine service development, about 257 billion. So part of that is to begin to gradually, contain the growth of this consumption expenditure and shift expenditure towards a growth investment in infrastructure and so on.
Mnumzana Godongwana uthi kuzanyanzeleka kuba uMzantsi Afrika uthabathe izigqibo ezinzima ngoku ukuqinisekisa kuba ikamva leli lizwe alitshabalali.